Not everyone is a gun lover, but we dedicate this guide to everyone who knows and understands the centuries-old heritage of gunsmiths, firearms, and how they evolved to be a timeless masterpiece, and one of the most innovative objects ever crafted in terms of modern warfare. They're all compiled based on firepower, style, popularity, and various other factors. You can check out the description of this video below for links to all of these products. And don't forget to like and subscribe to your daily list of the best outdoor product reviews. Now let's have a look at the top 5 best new handguns in 2022. The first product we'll talk about in our review list is the Kel-Tec P15, also known as the best lightweight new handgun available on the market in 2022. Presented at SHOT Show 2022, the P15 is Kel-Tec's new assault pistol for concealed carry. Weighing only 14 ounces, offering a very tight grip, the bracelet is even intended to resemble alligator scales. Extended magazine, the P15 is light and thin. The model proves to be an authentic polymer pistol for concealed carry. In fact, it sports a 102mm barrel and has a total length of 168mm. The double-barreled magazine, which Kel-Tec sought to patent, holds 15 rounds of 9x19mm, and a 12-round version is also available, so you're free to choose according to your preference. Both the safety and magazine release buttons are ambidextrous. Kel-Tec has also equipped this model with an optical sight and an adjustable rear sight with 2 white dots, all aimed at providing maximum user safety. Of course, there's also the standard tritium glow-in-the-dark, which is more than welcome, and the sights are a combination of optical fibers and tritium that work great in bright conditions. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. The next product we'll take a look at is the Savage Arms Stance, which has deservedly taken the title of the best micro-compact new handgun available on the market in 2022. The Stance model is a micro-compact pistol and marks Savage's return to the handgun market. It's been a while since the company produced a micro-compact pistol, and they deliver the goods for sure. The main feature is the addition of a steel chassis on which polymer handles of different colors and sizes can be placed. The weapon is also supplied with 2 replaceable rear straps, small and large, which, thanks to the classic 18-degree angle, making handling intuitive. In addition to the chassis and obviously the barrel, the slide is also made of stainless steel and then treated with a melanite finish. Savage decided to insert double commas, while levers for releasing the magazine and carriage are reversible. We're looking at short travel and trigger reset, with no need to intervene to disassemble the weapon, which is great. It is possible to choose between 3 different magazines, 7, 8, and 10 bullets. Manual safety and Viridian E-Series laser pointer are also optional, all in order to better personalize the handgun. Thumbs up, that's for sure. For all revolver lovers, we especially single out the Colt Python as the best new revolver handgun on the market in 2022. Colt Python is a series of classic revolvers reintroduced 2 years ago and has now been boosted with a new model with a barrel of 3 inches or 76mm. Thanks to this model, the classic series gets a little closer to the original icons of the 20th century. As in the first series, we're looking at a double-action revolver in .357 Magnum with a 6-shot barrel. Colt decided to combine the classic look, underlined by the grip of walnut, with the iconic medallion. A number of modern improvements, such as the use of stainless steel alloy and new sights. So there's a rear notch, adjustable for rise and travel, as well as an interchangeable front sight. Trigger weights vary between 3,175 and 4,310 grams. Colt marks its new Python as a weapon for self-defense, or for recreational extended shooting sessions, or, and perhaps above all, to enrich or complete your collection. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Up next, we present to you the silver medal and the title of runner-up Best New Handgun available on the market in 2022, the FN High Power. We're looking at a historical pistol that's capable of crossing the entire 20th century. High Power enters the market in a new version that rethinks the overall ergonomics, starting with the beaver tail design. Also, the danger of the so-called hammer bite is completely minimized. Both the cartridge and the barrel are made of steel, and thanks to the addition of a special lever on the left side, there's no longer any need to act on the open holder to disassemble the weapon, which users love. As a 9mm one-piece pistol, The FN High Power sports ambidextrous controls and a 119mm crowned barrel with a rotary hammer. It sports a 2-wire magazine whose capacity increases from 13 to 17 rounds, a fairly large capacity magazine as well as a simple with ergonomic design to make this model one of the most popular pistols. This product also boasts high durability. Highly recommended. And now we present to you the gold medal and the title of Best Overall New Handgun available on the market in 2022. And the winner is Smith Wesson CSX. The gun is called the CSX, and as you can tell, it marks a radical departure from the military and police archetype that has been the company's workhorse for several years. First of all, we go back to the external hammer, single-action trigger, but apparently with an automatic trigger safety, 1911 type manual safety, ambidextrous alloy barrels, but with interchangeable M&P style grip rests. There's also a caliber of 9x19mm, a barrel length of 3 inches, as well as a magazine with a capacity of 10 or 12 rounds. This model is made with an exceptionally ergonomic polymer grip and with a predisposition to replace the backstraps to suit every shooter. The external hammer and the safety hammer that can be manually disengaged ambidextrous make it ideal for transporting a chambered shot in complete safety. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the best new handguns in 2022. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest videos.